Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be creating a couple of pieces to organize my jewelry. I'll first be starting off with my first piece, and I'll be using two Dollar Tree napkin holders and seashells. I'll first be connecting these two napkin holders using a zip tie. I'm going to be using a total of 3, one for the bottom, one for the top, and one for the middle. Next, I'm going to take my seashells and I'm going to line them up at the bottom, and I'll be using my hot glue gun. And now I'm going to add some more hot glue on the bottom just to secure the seashells. Next, I'll be adding more seashells going up the napkin holder, and I'm going to be gluing them on in a pattern, as you can see. And now I'll be doing the other side. Next, I'll be spray painting it gold, and I made 2 of these, and I'll be using the other one later. Next, I got this acrylic garland from Amazon, and I'll be cutting off pieces and attaching them to the top of the napkin holder. These pieces were actually too long for me, so I ended up cutting them shorter later. And this is how they are starting to look. Next, I took these 2 picture frames that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be attaching the glass using my hot glue gun. After both glasses are attached, I'm going to glue both picture frames together, and I'm going to be putting this on top of the napkin holder. I got these hooks from my local dollar store, and I'm going to be screwing these around the perimeter of the picture frame. And these hooks will serve as my necklace holders. And I'll be adding more hooks down the side. And this is how it looked when it was complete. And now I will be attaching it to the top of my napkin holder. And if you're watching this video and you enjoy my content, please, please, please like this video. I've been gone for a minute, so my algorithm is not the best right now, so I would really appreciate it if you liked it. And this jewelry stand is complete, and I will be putting this to the side. And the next is my bracelet holder. I got this dowel from Home Depot. It's just an extra piece that I had hanging around, and I'm going to be gluing this to the other holder that I made. And if you do not want to go to Home Depot, you can use the plunger stick instead. That's located at Family Dollar. And the bracelet holder is complete. And the last one will be my DIY earring holder. And I got these 2 picture frames from the Dollar Tree, and I will be removing the glass and the paper. Next, I'll be removing the clips from the back from both of them. And now I'll be taking this wire net that I got from the Family Dollar. That's not the damn Family Dollar. From the Dollar Tree. Anyways, and I'll be cutting it to shape, and I'm going to be putting it inside the picture frame. And I am now going around the perimeter with my hot glue gun and making sure that it's secure. And I'll be holding the stand up using this napkin holder. And there was a piece of the napkin holder still sticking out at the top, so I decided to cut it off with my pliers, but you can leave it on if you prefer. Next, I put the napkin holder in between, and I'm going to be gluing the 2 picture frames together with the napkin holder inside. And as you can see, the napkin holder still slides out, so I'm going to add some glue at the bottom and secure it. The last thing I'm going to do is add some seashells to give it a little bling. And I'm going to add some more at the bottom. And after I'm finished with this side, I'm going to be completing the other side the same way. And now that that's complete, I'm going to take my gold spray paint, and you know what I'm about to do. I'm about to spray it gold. And this is how all of the pieces turned out. They look so amazing. And this is how the pieces look with my jewelry on them. This was very clutch. I love it. It's beautiful. This will be a perfect gift for one of your friends or family members. I created all of these pieces for under $20. Please let me know how you feel about this project, and please, please, please like the video, and I'll see you later, glitter babes.